If you want to call and set up a voicemail on a Xiaomi 17, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Now, once we go to the phone app, we should be able to switch to the keypad, and you want to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. If you press and hold number 1 and it doesn't work, you cannot reach the voicemail like that. What you can do instead is you can go to the home screen. Next, we're gonna tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and you want to proceed to settings. Over here in settings, we need to find the voicemail option. If needed, select your SIM. And then in here, we can proceed to advanced settings in order to find the voicemail number. And in here, you can edit or enter the voicemail number in case this number is incorrect or there is no number at all. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, then you can either contact your operator and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can try to Google that information. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.